Hello my friends, Stark here. Today is the 24th of July 2019. This is a customer's 1978 Ford Mustang II King Cobra. King Cobras can be identified by the Cobra symbol on the hood. All King Cobras have the 5-liter 302 V8 engine. The chin spoiler, the additional bodywork just ahead of the rear wheels, and the hatch spoiler. I don't know whether all King Cobras have the striping package and the color-coded wheels. Small wheels, by the way, only 13 inches. I was surprised. The crowning feature of this particular 1978 Ford Mustang King Cobra is that it's one of only 75 built with the optional T-top roof. Somewhere around 4,900, less than 5,000 King Cobras were built this year, but only 75 with the T-top roof. How about that? Common on a Trans Am, but rare on a Mustang. This particular car still has the original vinyl packaging for the T-top roof panels. That's nice to see. Rear seat folds down. These aren't, frankly, the most sought after Mustangs ever built. Let's be honest, they're built upon the Ford Pinto platform. Interior is attractive, black and silver, black vinyl bucket seats up front, and of course this car has a 4-speed manual transmission, which is nice. Let's start her up. This particular car has been modified with an electric fuel pump, so we'll have to switch that on first. Odometer is showing 79,000 miles, which we believe is correct. Let's go listen to the exhaust note. Okay. .302 or 5-liter V8 engine. Still carbureted, of course, back in 1978. And this was my job, to install a new master cylinder. Clean machine. And it seems that not too many Mustang 2s have been kept in good condition. It's nice to see this one. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. Take care. See you next time.